Hello everyone, my name is Xu Jincai. I'm part of the senior project. Our mentor is Dr. Masood Sajadi. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to maintain the code through the source tree, such as how to clone the branch to your local computer, and how to commit the changes, and how to merge the commits in your branch. For how to clone the branch to your local computer, first go to the website Bitbucket. Click the clone button here. Clone in source tree. Open the source tree. So for the destination, we have to create an empty folder that you can easily find. So I'm gonna create a folder under the desktop and called repos2. And you can name it whatever you want and select this folder. Then click clone. Now your local folder is connected to the Bitbucket server because there's so many branches from the server. You have to find the branch you want. Because my EA is MACDNotSoSample, so I have to find it first. Here. Then right click it, click checkout. Now your local folder is clone everything from the MACD branch from the Bitbucket. So let's go to the folder we just created. From here you can see all the files from the website. And this is the expert advisor about my EA. And whatever any changes you made, the source tree gonna recognize it and help you to change it. For example, let's open the file and make some changes here. Save it. So back to the source tree. I can refresh for you and tell you which folder you had made changed. And if you want to commit it, you have to select it and stage the file. Now the file is on stage. The only thing you have to do is commit and put a note here so you can recognize what did you do before, and it's easier for you to recognize it. And click commit. So after you commit, you have to push this commit to the server. Click push. So back to the website. Under the commit, first you have to make sure you are under the same branch, like MACDNotSoSample, and click commit. You can see all the history commits here. and the newest one is the one we just did. And back to the source. You can see the commit. The only commit here is the one we just did here. And how to merge the commit from your branch. Go to the pull request and click the create pull request. So the source is the branch we just made change. It's MACDNotSoSample, and because every branch is under the development branch, so the destination is development. Click continue. I'm gonna make a summary for you of all the commits you've made before, and we have to put our professor as reviewers. Then click create, and that's everything about how to maintain your code through the source tree. And thank you for watching my video. If you have any problems, please contact me or our mentor, Dr. Masood Jahali. Thank you.